In this video, we'll learn to count up to 100 items in twos. I have a number of 2p coins, as you can see on the camera, and I'll count how many I have in total. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. As you can see in the pattern, the same thing, or almost the same thing, is happening in all the rows. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We've got 12. So all we have changed is the 10 in front. And then 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, and so on. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 6, 16, 26, 8, 18, 28, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, and so on. So it's the same pattern. You leave in a gap, you continue with the next number. So 2, 3 is missing, then you have 4, 5 is missing, then 6. And that is repeated in all of the rows, in all of the numbers up to 100. The same thing continues after 100 as well. So you might want to explore that. So you might be given in a question a number and then count on in twos from that point. So let's say we have 46. So then you'll do 48, 50, 52, depending on how long the sequence or the pattern needs to be. Or you might be given 48, then 50, 52, 54, and so on. So it really depends on where you're starting. Another way, or another question you might see, is maybe being given 13. So that is not in this sequence, that's missing, but you've got to count on in twos from that point. So 13, you leave 14 out and you go to 15. 16 is out, then 17, 19, 21, and so on. So another one, let's do another one of these. We've got 55, then we'll go to 57, 59, 61. So you should be able to pick up from any point really in numbers up to 100. So when it asks to count in twos, it means you leave one out and you start on the next number. Try practicing this with numbers, with coins, whatever you might have, objects around the house, and count in twos. It's a good one to use 2p coins because that's their value, 2p, or you could do it with pairs of socks, or any other pairs.